Hey explorers, I am Jessica, and today on Exploring the Local Life I was going to share additional ways that you can make money while full-time RVing. I have covered this topic before, but I wanted to revamp it for 2018. So the very first one that I'm going to share with you is Amazon Handmade. This is similar to Etsy in that you are making your own crafts, your own dresses, sweaters, artwork, whatever it may be, and you are selling it online. It is hosted on Amazon.com, and you do have to apply and get approved for the program. But this is definitely for those of you artists out there that are making your own things and you want to try something that's a little bit different than Etsy. And that is Amazon Handmade. Link right here. Now in my previous video I did talk about flex jobs, and I also talked about Upwork, and I wanted to actually hit upon an actual company that you don't have to go through all these other sites, and that is MEDIAVINE. They are an ad agency. We actually use them on our blog where they post ads on our behalf and we receive ad revenue from that. Now they have all work from home positions, which is amazing, and they provide you with a laptop and you get a 401k and insurance and all kinds of benefits with it. And they have rotating positions, and they don't require you to have like a landline, so you can use your cell phone. The only thing you absolutely have got to have with this is the ability to have high-speed internet reliably all the time during your office hours. So if you can't manage that, don't even bother applying, okay? But this is a good opportunity for those of you, especially if you are working age and you want to maintain kind of the same level of benefits and even income. Try looking at MEDIAVINE and their careers and find out if there's a position for you. Now, if you are a teacher and you are looking to RV full-time, you can actually teach online. If you go to VIPkid.com, you will find information on becoming a teacher teaching English to students. And it is a China-based company, and you work completely online, and all that you have to have is a reliable internet connection. You need to be able to video, because it's going to be, you're videoing, it's a live like classroom setting that you're doing, so you need to have the ability to record and have a microphone and all those things, and be available during set hours that I believe there's varying options. The pay is $14 to $22 an hour. Did not list anywhere on their site anything about health insurance, 401ks, or any of that sort of stuff. So that would be something that you would need to consider if you are looking to get into this position. But hey, you can work remotely. So you got to balance out what you are interested in, what your skill sets are, and if this is something for you. Okay, so this next one that I am going to bring up is one that's completely different than all the other ones. This is actually the sugar beet harvest. This is you going out to where the sugar beet farms and actually going through their harvest season and going and helping with that. Now you can earn like $2,500 in 2 weeks, but it is labor intensive. You are out there in the fields working 7 days a week for 12-hour shifts, and it runs 24/7. So like they're constantly running. So you need to figure out if you're willing to do that labor intensive work, and if you're okay with this kind of shift. They do provide a free campsite for you in addition to your pay, and if it is not a full hookup site, they will provide a honey wagon. You can also be a blogger. Now you might be like, oh my gosh, everybody has a blog. Yes, but not everybody is you, and not everybody has the experience and knowledge that you have and that you bring to the table. So you can start your blog, and as you get more views and things, you can start generating ad revenue. So that's like with me, we've got on exploringthelocallife.com, we use MEDIAVINE and we receive monthly ad revenue for our page views. So you can do that too. And you can also sell products on your blog that are related to the blog topic. For instance, we obviously do RVing, so everything that we are an affiliate for, which is where you're selling something and then you get a portion of the sale that goes to you, and then the person who created it or whatever keeps the rest of the money. So we do things like we have a RVer buyer's guide and we receive a percentage of the sales for that. So if you are doing something, I don't know, gardening on the road, you can do that. Then you would be an affiliate for things that are associated with that. And of course, if you have your very own products or your own expertise that you can sell, that is something else that you could use your blog for. If you are not wanting to do your own blog, but you are a writer, my goodness, the cicadas are coming out now. Yikes! My goodness. Are they gonna quiet down? Okay, the cicadas quieted down, so I'm gonna start over. So if you're not interested in starting your own blog, but you are a writer, you can be a writer on somebody else's site and get paid for that. Depending on the site, they will either ask you what your rates are, so you need to know how much you are going to be charging, or they have set rates that may or may not be negotiable. So it is up to you whether you want to do that. But that's another way, and that might not be as labor intensive in the sense that you don't have to maintain a website, you don't have to go out and look for, you know, get ad revenue or anything like that. You're just writing for this other person or this other company. But it's another way to make some money on the road. In addition to all the other things that I have mentioned, you can also have your very own Patreon page. And we have one. Let me tell you about what Patreon does though. Basically, you are creating something. You are an artist, you are a photographer, you make videos like we do, you are a singer. Basically, you are making these, you are an artist, and you have patrons that come and they support you. And they can specify whether they would like to support you for a certain amount monthly or per creation. And you can have different levels. People can be your patron at small number, you know, like $2 a month or more, up to however much you want. You can start wherever you want and end up wherever you want. And if you are interested in being a patron, you can select which level. And in return, the folks that are your patrons get a special news feed that is exclusive just to them. And you can do anything you want on there as far as exclusive content. You can give them t-shirts, you can give them, if you're a musician, give them CDs or singles exclusively to them. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do that. And you know, you can use this patron page to support all the other things you do. For example, with Robert and I, we have Exploring the Local Life, we have like the blog, we have the YouTube channel, we have ad revenue, we have Patreon, we are affiliates for other folks. So there's all these different income streams that make up the amount that we make each month. So sometimes it may not just be one thing. Oh, and we also work like other jobs. So it may not just be just one thing. So you have to, when you're thinking about RVing full-time, you kind of have to think outside the box and see what's going to fit with you and see if you can get different kinds of income streams to make enough money that you need every month to continue your RVing life. Okay, the very last thing that I wanted to mention isn't you actually bringing in money, okay? But I wanted to mention it because it might be something that might, you might like it, and it might be a door to you doing something like the sugar beet harvest if you've never, let's say, farmed before. So with woofing, basically you are going to a farm and you're staying there between 1 or 2 weeks. And while you are there, you work about 4 to 6 hours on the farm. In exchange, you get a full day's meal for each day that you work and accommodations. Now, since you are RVing, you're going to come with your accommodation and you will be boondocking. In addition, there is a membership fee. I think it's like $72. But you get to get all this awesome experience here. So it's not like you are continuously paying for camping places and things like that. They have all kinds of different farms and places that you can do this type of volunteer work in. And of course, it would prepare you for something, like I said, the sugar beet harvest or some other kind of manual labor. Okay, so those are the different ways that you can make money while full-time RVing. As promised, I have a link to the other video, 6 ways to make money while full-time RVing here. If you would like to support us on Patreon, since we are providing you with information that I think that you can use, is going to help you, you can click on the Patreon. There's like a P, and start supporting us there. We have levels starting at $1 a month, so it's not like we're, you know, you don't even have to do that much, but every little bit helps because we need all those different income streams to make this life possible and for us to be able to provide this information for you. And don't forget to check in the description. There is a free checklist to you guys. It is to make sure that you do not forget anything when you are breaking camp, because we have forgotten our stairs, we have forgotten to pull up a jack and all those things. So we created this checklist so that won't happen to you. So check the description for that link. And if you have any comments or questions, or if you have your very own experience with any of these jobs, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much. Catch you guys later. Bye.